My name is Chuck Back. I'm a partner with Procella Audio. I'd like to welcome you to our CEDIA Expo exhibit. One of the new products we have at the show this year is the first Procella power amplifier, the DA-2800. This amplifier comes in two versions. One is a stock amplifier, no DSP. The second version has DSP, which I'll talk about in a moment. The basic amplifier is 4 channels. At 4 ohms, each channel is 700 watts. At 8 ohms, each channel is 360 watts. It's very robust, capable of producing the output necessary to get full dynamic range with Procella loudspeakers. The DSP version comes with presets that allow it to be used customized with all Procella loudspeakers, including all of the subwoofers and the P815, P610, and P860 bi-amplified full-range speakers. This amplifier is now available and shipping. We have a complete line of loudspeakers that I'd like to step through for just a moment to get the idea of the scope of Procella. Our full-range LCR speakers are designed to cinema standards, which means they get to a 40 hertz extension. They do not have the typical 80 hertz THX, home THX crossover that's typical of small speakers, so they're capable of much greater cinema impact and output and greater coherency sonically. The P610 is the basic one. It is a 1-inch compression driver, 6-inch mid-range, and 10-inch woofer. For larger rooms, the P815 has a 1.5-inch compression driver, an 8-inch mid-range, and a 15-inch woofer, and the P860 is the flagship with the same compression driver as the P815, dual 8-inch woofers, and our unique V6 configuration of 6 10-inch woofers. For surround speakers and for smaller rooms, the conventional type home theater, we have the P6, P6V, and the P8. These are compliant with the home THX 80 hertz standard and use 6.5-inch woofer in the P6, 8-inch woofer in the P8. For subwoofers, we have 3 basic models, all dual driver, dual amplified. The P10 is a dual 10-inch with 350 plus 350 watts. The P15 is dual 15 with the same power, 350 plus 350. And the P18 is the flagship, dual 18-inch woofers, 700 plus 700 watts. And all of the subwoofers can be driven independently with our DA-2800 power amplifier when mounted in the rack. Here's a look at the rest of the product line, some of the models we have here on live display. I'd like to encourage anyone at the show to come by and see us. If you can't make it, visit us at www.procella-audio.com.